Hi everyone, my name is Cindy and this is Fall-Halloween Open Challenge. Now I do not celebrate Halloween, but I have some unique fall decor items for you to see. If you're new, thanks so much for checking out my channel. And if you've been here before, thanks for returning. So DIY number 1, a thumbtack gold leaf. The supplies needed include gold thumbtacks, about 400, Mod Podge, black foam board, a leaf pattern, a picture frame, and black acrylic paint. I was inspired by Nora G's Nook. She made a sketch of Africa and put thumbtacks in a piece of foam board to use in her home decor. It is so beautiful. If you have not seen her channel, check out her unique home decor items. I decided to take that same concept and make a gold leaf for the fall. I cut a piece of foam board and painted it black. Now you need about 400 thumbtacks from Dollar Tree. I traced around a leftover burlap leaf and used that as my template. Then I began pushing the thumbtacks into the foam board, starting around the edges first. Now the thumbtacks are tiny and sometimes I had a little rough time getting them into the foam board. So I did that until I finally finished the part in the middle. Now here's was an issue. I ran out of thumbtacks because I thought 300 would be enough. However, to finish this project, I had to run to Dollar Tree to get some more, and guess what? They were all out. So I got the rest of the thumbtacks from Hobby Lobby. So I would suggest, if you're doing a project like this or on a pumpkin, have anywhere from 600 to 900 thumbtacks on hand. And I see that Dollar Tree does have the gold thumbtacks now. This was a relaxing project, or maybe I was just relieving some of my stress. You are probably wondering if the thumbtacks will fall out. Well, Nora G had a great suggestion. If you turn your project over where the tacks are protruding and cover it with a generous portion of Mod Podge, the thumbtacks will stay in place. It is amazing. Not a single thumbtack fell out. Of course, you must let it dry for about 24 hours. And I just love how it looks in the white frame sitting on my mantle. So let me know what you think. It's a possibility that I may do a pumpkin next. Now, this collaboration is hosted by 6 kids and a glue gun, Lady Red Crafting and Crafty Art Shack. Today, the focus is Fall-Halloween, and they have given us a chance to make a fall or Halloween decor. So check out their wonderful channels and give them a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and save. They have made some beautiful fall decors. The link to their channels is listed in the description box below. Be sure to follow the other collaborators who have made Fall-Halloween items that you will enjoy. Be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment on their channels also. And the playlist is in the description box below. So DIY number 2, upscale Dollar Tree bowls and candle holders. The supplies needed include 2 different sizes of Dollar Tree silver bowls and gold acrylic paint, black matte spray paint, and hot glue. These glam bowls and candle holders were inspired by Nora G's Nook. However, I will have a slightly different twist. These bowls and candle holders are as simple as it gets. The process for the bowl is to glue the largest size bowl to the smallest bowl on the bottom. I use gold paint to spray the middle of the bowl and the outside a matte black. For the candle holders, I use black inside and gold on the outside. Now you need to make sure that you do not overload the bowls with paint, and just lightly spray the outside several times to get a nice smooth cover. Now I think with this project it makes a difference what type of spray paint you use and what brand. I was looking for a little different outlook on them, but I think they turned out pretty nice. I put some glass candle holders in the smaller ones and then put some glitter gold battery operated candles in the center. Now this can be used for Christmas or fall or actually any time of the year. It will give your home a moody vibe. I'd like to see them on your table setting or any room in your home for that matter. The bowl can be used to put items such as maybe a pumpkin or some faux fruit, but this bowl should not be used for food items. So let me know what you think about this. DIY number 3, a glass vase. The supplies needed include a ribbed glass or vase from Dollar Tree and a small round fish bowl from Dollar Tree, some hot glue or fix-all, and some dried or real or faux flowers. Now, Nora G used brightly colored vases from Dollar Tree, but I did not find those when I was there. But I did find one clear ribbed glass as I was checking out of Dollar Tree. I thought I could use the same process, but I think the glass gives it a modern twist to achieve my look. This is a very simple project, and the 2 pieces were wiped down to give a nice clean look, and I glued the glass vase to the small fish bowl. Now this can be used in different ways. It can be used as a candle holder or vase. You choose the look. I did not do anything else to the pieces because it is all glass. It can be used all year round. Check out the different ways it can be used and let me know what you think. Now, if you've liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Help me reach my goal of 1,500 by the end of the year. When I get there, a prize will be awarded to someone who is a subscriber and comments on the video that reaches that number. Now, if I reach 1,500 before the end of the year, then the prize will be awarded accordingly. Now, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And thanks for watching. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, love is the whole thing. We are only pieces. This is by Rumi. See you later. Bye-bye.